PUBG game lag. In this video, you will learn how to fix PUBG game lag. So let's get started. The process is simple. You have to lower graphic settings. Lower the graphic settings in PUBG to reduce the strain on your device's hardware. Set the graphic quality to a lower level. Disable features like anti-aliasing and shadows and lower the screen resolution if necessary. You can close background apps, close any unnecessary background application and processes that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, software updaters, and other non-essential programs running in the background. Then, check network connection. Ensure that you have a stable and high-speed internet connection. Use a wired Ethernet connection if possible, or connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Avoid playing PUBG on a cellular data connection, as it may result in lag due to network latency. Update drivers and software. Keep your device's drivers, especially graphics and TRA drivers in PUBG itself to update. Developers often release updates to optimize performance and fix bugs that may cause lag. You can optimize in-game settings. Adjust PUBG's in-game settings for optimal performance. Experiment with different settings such as resolution, text quality, and rendering distance to find the best balance between performance and video quality for your device. That's all. That's how you can easily fix PUBG lag.